Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kannaiya Sirsat. Ayurveda, a science of life, one of the ancient sciences we know, and we can definitely say the science of future. Living with a very own motto of Swastasya Swastarakshanam Aturasya Vikara Prashanam Cha. The science which helps you to prevent your healthy state and helps you to repair your condition when there is a ill health. So today we have with us a very eminent personalities in the field of Ayurveda, as we have the 9th Ayurveda Congress happening for the very first time in our very own state Goa. So we have with us today a personality who has played a vital part in shaping life of many doctors in the field of Ayurveda, including myself. It gives me immense pleasure to have a conversation with Dr. Anura Pale ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, my first question to you will be, what are you most excited and looking forward from the World Ayurveda Congress?
We all of us are happy and eager that World Ayurveda Congress is or 9th World Ayurveda Congress is organized in the state of Goa. So it is the opportunity not only to the Ayurvedic physician professionals or the students of the Goa, but it is all over opportunity for the public to take maximum benefit of this science. Now looking forward for this World Ayurveda Congress, I would say all the public should take maximum benefit to keep themselves healthy, because the motto of the Ayurveda is try to maintain your health first, and in case if you are sick, then you can go to the doctor and take advice. So first try to be healthy by maintaining the lifestyle, preserving your lifestyle, whatever lifestyle you have, avoid that lifestyle and try to keep the lifestyle as described in the Ayurveda, following seasonal variations, daily regimens and exercises. Apart from this, for the public, for the students, what I would like to say is regarding research. There will be paper presentations, plenary sessions, poster presentations, film festivals. So whatever maximum knowledge they could, and there will be stalwarts presenting their presentations. So whatever maximum they could gain from the presentations regarding research also, because the science itself has been research oriented. So whatever maximum they can gain from this World Ayurveda Congress, the knowledge of Ayurveda, the maximum they should take of it. Thank you.
Yes, thank you ma'am. It was really an inspiring words from you. My second question will be, coming from a very well-known institute in Goa, I'm sure there'll be many inspirational people who will be looking forward in after their presence in the World Ayurveda Congress would be aspiring to join our college. That is the Gomantak Ayurved College and Mahavidyalaya and Research Center. So what would be your message to these aspiring people and how they can connect with this particular event happening to our institute?
First of all, regarding if you say the youth, young generation, what I would advise is maximum students can join Ayurveda, be BMS graduates, because there is lots of scope. Ayurveda is gaining worldwide importance nowadays. It is becoming globally important. So let's tell all the students, youth of today's world, that let them join this Ayurveda course in the Institute of, because this is the only institute in Goa. Now, All India Institute of Ayurveda is coming up, the next institute in Goa. So let all the students join, maximum students join this course and take opportunity of being Ayurveda graduate. This is for the message for the students. And for the public, I would say we have 100-bedded hospital, we have well-running OPDs of the 14 departments like ENT, Ophthalm, Pediatrics, then Gynec, then General Medicine, and yoga specifically, and maintaining Swastha OPD. So let the people come to, after coming to there are OPDs in the World Ayurveda Congress, so let them get checked there, and for the follow-up, let them come to the institution. They can take maximum opportunity, maximum benefit of the medicines and the treatment. We are well-organized Panchakarma center. They can take benefit of that to get admitted and get well. So my message to them will make your life healthy and happy.
Thank you, ma'am. Coming from the very own college where ma'am has taught me in the first year, she used to teach us, and being graduated from our very own college, I must say, which is the finest colleges which we have all around India, and I'm very proud to be associated with Gomantak Ayurved Mahavidyalaya, and I thank ma'am for having imparted those values in us, imparted that knowledge in us, so that we can come out in our public and showcase whatever knowledge we have, so that ultimately we help the public. Ma'am, a final parting message to the general common man, the common people of Goa, what would you like to say?
My message will be, as it is come from the center, that Honorable our Prime Minister Modi ji and Honorable Minister of Ayush Sarbanand Sonawal ji and Rakoteja ji and all after and upon the National Commission of Indian System of Medicine coming together with one theme, Har Din Har Ghar Ayurveda. So Ayurveda should reach to each and every people, each and every person in the each and every house. So preach, practice and propagate Ayurveda and keep yourself healthy. That's the message for all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would just like to thank you for having made us to this edition with us and having shared your views and thought about the World Ayurveda Congress happening on the 8th and 11th of December at Kala Academy. So people watching this video, do not miss this opportunity that we have gained over 9 years, and this is the first time that is happening in our very own stage. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. The second personality we have with us is Dr. Minal Joshi ma'am, who has been heading the department, and she has been a strong bridge in between the center, the local public, and has made sure Ayurveda reaches every household in the state. Welcome, ma'am. Ma'am, my very first question to you will be, what are you most excited about the 9th edition of WAC, and what do you basically expect from this event?
Basically, this 9th World Ayurveda Congress is happening in Goa is a big thing, and it is, as an Ayurvedic practitioner myself, I feel that many of the branches in Ayurveda, which we do not know that they are in practice, they are coming under one umbrella for the people, and they will come to know, they will get knowledge about Ayurveda, what practices are going on in whole India as well as all over the world. After COVID, people have themselves are becoming aware of Ayurveda's benefits, and those benefits now, along with the government, we are going to serve you doorstep. Like at sub-center levels also, we are appointing Ayurvedic physicians as community health officers. They will teach you each and every other aspect of Ayurveda. There are 8 branches, basic branches in Ayurveda. All those branches, amongst them, whatever we have got postgraduate students in our system, they will be practicing for those specialization branches, like Shalakya Tantra for ophthalmology, like gynecology for Supraja. These type of things are coming up now from government of Goa also. As Ministry of Ayurveda has, Ministry of Ayush has given us guidelines. We are going to follow through it all over this year. Our this year motto was the way it was propagated from Ministry of Ayush, that Har Din Har Ghar Ayurved. So we have really taken it to the task, and we are really going to reach each and every household, as our community health officers will be doing surveys and will be reaching to each house to do field work. They will be guiding for yoga, they will be guiding for Rutucharya, they will be guiding for Dinacharya, they will be guiding how to take care of children, how to take care of pregnant women, how to take care of how to take palliative care. If somebody is bedridden, that patient's care, how can be taken with the help of Ayurveda. These all aspects we are going to make, now Ayurveda is becoming learning process for each and every household. For a common man also, many things we practice but we don't know they are from Ayurveda. So our physicians will be making them aware that what actually you are practicing. So it will be learning process for Ayurveda also, and it will be practicing actually, means they are indulging. They will be indulging the Ayurveda view, and see what we know. We only then, what our brain knows, only then only our eyes can see. So they are practicing, but they don't know this is from Ayurveda. So now we are making them encouraged for understanding what they are practicing in their own life. So this will smoothen the life of common human being, common man, and which was most important for us, that all branches under one umbrella in WAC we will be exhibiting. in our expo, all these things will be coming to people, and people will get enriched with the knowledge so that they can practice all these things in their lives. Swasthasya swasthya rakshanam means the person who is healthy, he has to prolong his healthy days of his life. And aturasya vyadhi parimokshanam means one who is ailed, he will get rid of his ailments from the practice of Ayurveda lifestyle. So actually, in all this, I would like to say that Ayurveda hospital is not hospital or Rugnalay, it is Jivanalay. It is Jivanalay. So I feel that this is a big gift with WSC and government of Goa and central government are bringing for our own public.
Yes. Taking from the same line what ma'am said, Ayurveda is not a Rugnalaya, it is Jivanayalaya. Okay, basically a place where which will prolong the life of a person in a healthy life of a person, not only a life of a person. So ma'am, personally coming from the field under you and under your guidance that we conduct so many outreach activities under the WAC as well, and we have tried to reach the maximum people we could and try to reach to the remotest area of Goa. So how do you think this department, our Ayush department, has made a mark using this opportunity to reach to the people of Goa?
Our all doctors, along with WAC doctors, are going to hold few camps. Now, till today, I think more than 70 camps are be held, and in that we have reached to school children also, so that from catch them young. Ayurveda will catch them young. So that way they will get interested, they will come to know about their nature surrounding them and how to behave in which season, what to eat, what not to eat, all these things. If we will teach them from their tender and young age, they will practice it lifelong. So for that purpose, I am very much excited that my science is reaching to everybody and they will get benefited of it. After all, they are our future, and our future has to be always brilliant and bright. So for that, I think altogether we are trying hard, and our doctors, our paramedics, our yoga people, all are getting involved in this big event. So I here will take an opportunity to tell people you also get benefited of it.
Yes, of course, ma'am. Under your guidance, I think how we have worked under WAC, we have tried to reach the maximum people in our state. And I must say that, coming from the practitioner's background, there is a lot of acceptance from the people, from the common people, as you can say in the field of Ayurveda. There is no apprehensions nowadays. Initially, they might have been, but now people are more aware about it. Internationally, nationally, regionally, people are accepting Ayurveda, and they are all ready to accept it and change their lives. Ma'am, one last parting question. Now we have spoken about how the practitioners are working, how is the organization working, we as a ministry are working, and we as a department working. What could a common man, Aam Janta, derive from WAC, why they should visit WAC, and how it could help them to change their life?
See, basically in lifestyle of India or as an Indian, usually we have a philosophical being. We have a philosophical heritage of our own culture. So what I feel is Ayurveda is spiritual science. You have to learn, you have to practice, you have to adapt, and you have to get full benefits of it. You are the beneficiary. So for this, make life more lively. To know the things of life, how they are happening judiciously and getting benefited of it is most important for a common person. To remain, see, in Ayurveda only it is being told that Shariram Adyam Khalu Dharma Sadhanam. If your body doesn't remain, how you will indulge? Maybe it is happiness, maybe it is unhappiness, or maybe it is ailment, or maybe is it fitness. If your body doesn't remain, these things you cannot feel. So most important is take care of your body, and that only science could do for your body is Ayurveda. This is most important for common person or common man to understand that where Ayurveda will help me is to practice it to know my own body well. So I feel that common man should pay attention to know his body well.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think after your guidance and your important messages which you have shared, I think maximum people from not only from Goa but the entire country and also internationally would make an effort and attempt to attend this mega event which is happening. I would again like to thank Dr. Minal Joshi ma'am and Dr. Anura Bale ma'am, our principal and our deputy director for having made for this conversation with us. And a parting message, I would just request everyone to come forward, be a part of this 9th edition of World Ayurveda Congress happening from 8th of December to 11th of December at Kala Academy. See you all out there. Thank you.